How to log into your TradingView app. Let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open the TradingView app on your device. Go ahead and tap on menu on the bottom right hand corner and you can find the sign in option. Go ahead and tap on sign in. As you can see, there are a lot of ways you can sign into your account like Google, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Apple, and this option over here as well. So after you click on any one of these, you can easily sign in using your account in the respective apps. So let's suppose I'm signing in using Google. I'll just go ahead and tap on Google. As I previously signed in using this app, you can see that I will directly be headed to my account. And same goes for other accounts as well. So go ahead and tap on menu, go to sign in, and you can select any one of these. After you select it, it will ask authorization from the app. You can sign into your accounts and sign into your TradingView account as well. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.